Hello, this is Books with Valerie, and I am going to be reading 3 books at a time. So let's start with Rocket's 100th Day of School. Rocket's 100th Day of School. Rocket Rocket needs to find 100 special things for the 100th day of school. He finds a perfect spot to keep his special things. Maybe a squirrel might live in there. Maybe. We'll see. Or maybe not. You can keep your things here, says Bella. Bella's a squirrel. Rocket's a dog. Rocket finds pencils. Rocket finds a book. Rocket finds acorns. He puts them in the tree with Bella. I just added that on. No, with Bella. Emma helps Rocket find red leaves and pine cones. Mr. Barker helps Rocket find heart-shaped stones. Fred helps Rocket find sticks that look like numbers. Rocket writes down all 26 letters of the alphabet. He puts everything in the tree. Some days he writes down words he likes. Owl gives Rocket feathers. They all go in the tree. Finally, the 100th day of school is here. Rocket runs to the tree. He counts everything he put in the tree. Wait.
Where
Where are the acorns? Where are the acorns? Rocket asked. 10 pencils, 1 book, 18 red leaves, 5 pine cones, 3 what?
stones,
3 stones,
5 sticks,
26 letters, 4
feathers,
words.
Mm-hmm.
Don't we skip that? So where did the acorns go? Have you seen the acorns, Bella? The what? Bella asks. The acorn, says Rocket. Acorns, asks Bella. Yes, says Rocket. Yes! I what?
Eight.
I ate them. Socks. Ah. Shock. Shock.
Shouts.
Shouts Bella. I love acorns so much. I love those acorns, says Rocket. It is the 100th day of school. Now I only have 95 things. Rocket has an idea. What does it say, Mom?
Follow.
Follow me, everyone, says Rocket. We are all going to school. 95
Plus.
4 old friends makes 99. Count Rocket. And 1 new friend makes 100.